I wanna mix magic and food at this event. No? Kasi alam natin, parehas natin ini-enjoy yung food at magic. Kaya a toast to National Food Fair. Once again, palakpakan natin si Sir Lani and Grace. Yeah, pwede bang hawakan mo lang muna? Hawakan mo, pwede mo makita sa katabi mo, makita mo sa kanila. And, alam mo ba ang nangyayari? Ako rin. Merong face up, merong face down. Yes, shake it. Shake it. I want you shaking it. I want you to think of a card. Pwede mo kunin yung card at makita mo sa kanila. Coins inside my hand. Gone, vanished. And the last one. Maraming salamat. That's it. Yeah, give a wave to the audience and they will give you a big round of applause. And that's the Dual Clubs and Dual Space. Once again, palakpakan natin si Gia. My name is Mac Florendo. I'm Mr. Magic of the Philippines. Besides magic, I'm a food rescue advocate. I'm part of Scholars of Sustenance. So yung mga sobra na nakikita natin sa mga iba't ibang mga events, no, na mga good quality pa sa grocery, sa retailers. Kung hindi na natin mabenta, pwede natin i-share sa mga taong nagugutom. So yun po yung ginagawa namin. And para sa akin, yun po yung tunay na magic. Kaya again, please join us. Let's save the planet and the people one meal at a time. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy po.